If you're missing important calls on your Android phone because they're being incorrectly screened, you can adjust your phone screening settings. Here's how. Open the phone app on your Android device. Tap the menu icon, usually in the top left corner of the screen. Select Settings. Tap Call Screen. From here, you can choose your preferred screening level. Maximum Protection, this will screen unknown numbers and decline spam. Medium Protection, this will screen suspicious calls and decline spam. Basic Protection, this will only decline spam. If you want to stop automatic call screening entirely, you'll need to disable Advanced Protection first. So tap on Settings. Now turn off Device Protection. You may need to unlock your phone to confirm. Please note that disabling device protection is not recommended. Only do it if necessary. Once that's disabled, return to Call Screen Settings and you'll see that automatic screening can now be turned off. And that's it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video.